Mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity among typists and gamers who crave precision, tactile feedback, and durability. Similarly, trail runners now seek shoes that deliver grip, comfort, and resilience across rugged terrain. This guide evaluates trail running shoes based on traction.
List number 1. New Balance Men's 410 V8 Trail Running Shoe. Reliable performance for everyday trail runs. The New Balance 410 V8 trail running shoe is a dependable, budget-friendly choice for runners who want all-terrain versatility without sacrificing comfort. Designed with AT Tread outsole technology, it offers strong traction on both trails and roads, making it a great hybrid option for mixed surfaces. The outsole lugs are strategically placed to enhance grip while maintaining a smooth transition during road segments. The upper uses durable mesh material reinforced with synthetic overlays, providing good breathability and structure. It's not waterproof, but the quick-drying fabric helps manage moisture efficiently. Inside, New Balance's soft midsole cushioning keeps long runs comfortable by absorbing shock and reducing fatigue even on uneven surfaces. Fit-wise, the 410 V8 offers a roomy toe box and moderate arch support, suitable for most foot types. The shoe feels lightweight for its category, and the padded collar ensures ankle comfort during extended use.
List number 2. Brooks Men's Cascadia 19 Mountain Trail Running Shoe. Mountain-tested stability and comfort. The Brooks Cascadia 19 continues the brand's legacy of durable, balanced trail shoes designed for serious off-road runners. This model offers exceptional protection and adaptability on technical terrain, making it a favorite among mountain trail enthusiasts. The Cascadia 19's Trail Adapt system integrates a rock plate and segmented midsole that adjusts to uneven ground, enhancing both comfort and stability. Combined with DNA Loft V2 cushioning, runners get a soft yet responsive ride that maintains control on rocky trails. The TrailTac rubber outsole delivers outstanding grip on wet or dry surfaces, ensuring confident footing even on steep descents. The upper features recycled engineered mesh that promotes breathability while reducing environmental impact. Its snug, secure fit prevents foot slippage, and a gusseted tongue keeps debris out. The shoe feels slightly heavier than minimalist options, but that extra weight translates into top-tier protection and underfoot support.
List number 3. Ultra Men's Lone Peak 9 Trail Running Shoe. Natural movement and trail freedom. The Ultra Lone Peak 9 continues to set the standard for zero-drop trail running shoes, providing natural foot alignment and exceptional comfort. Its balanced cushioning platform encourages a low-impact stride, while the foot-shaped toe box allows toes to splay naturally, ideal for long-distance comfort on rough terrain. Built for technical trails, the MaxTrack outsole combines sticky rubber with aggressive lugs for multi-directional traction. Whether you're navigating muddy tracks or loose gravel, the grip feels secure yet flexible. The Ego midsole delivers a balanced blend of responsiveness and cushioning, making the shoe comfortable for both short runs and ultramarathons. Breathable, lightweight mesh uppers shed heat quickly, while welded overlays reinforce key stress zones. The Lone Peak 9 also includes gator trap attachments, perfect for runners who tackle dusty or debris-filled routes. This shoe is best suited for runners who value a natural feel and ground connection over maximum cushioning. The zero-drop design takes some adaptation but rewards you with a balanced, efficient stride and reduced strain during long runs.
List number 4. Witten Men's Minimalist Trail Runner. Wide toe box, barefoot inspired, pure ground feel and flexibility. For runners exploring the world of barefoot-style footwear, the Witten Minimalist Trail Runner is an impressive entry point. With its wide toe box and zero-drop sole, it encourages natural stride mechanics and strengthens foot muscles over time. The flexible rubber outsole allows excellent ground feel, while small, multi-directional lugs offer surprising traction for such a minimalist shoe. The upper is constructed from breathable knit fabric, wrapping the foot snugly without constriction. It's lightweight and dries quickly, ideal for warm weather trail running or gym cross-training. The insole is removable, giving you the choice between slight cushioning or pure barefoot feel.
Because it lacks substantial midsole padding or motion control, this shoe works best for experienced runners accustomed to minimalist footwear or those transitioning gradually. However, its comfort, flexibility, and affordable price make it a strong value choice for casual runners or those seeking a more natural feel during training.
List number 5. New Balance Men's Fresh Foam X Hierro V9. Premium cushioning meets rugged performance. The New Balance Fresh Foam X Hierro V9 is a high-end trail shoe that merges plush comfort with trail-ready durability. Powered by Fresh Foam X midsole cushioning, it provides exceptional softness without sacrificing responsiveness, keeping your legs fresher on long runs. The Vibram Mega Grip outsole is one of the standout features. It offers remarkable traction on wet rocks, loose gravel, and steep climbs. Paired with a durable synthetic mesh upper reinforced in high wear zones, this shoe stands up to tough conditions while maintaining breathability. The Hierro V9 also includes a toe protect layer that guards against roots and debris, and the internal booty construction wraps the foot comfortably for a secure fit. Despite its plush feel, it maintains good lateral stability, making it suitable for both trail runners and fast hikers.